Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $543.25 and $1,026.14 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $422.53 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $96.58. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was roused by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The formation of Bitcoin money. What works more like a cash than a store of significant worth? Lighted a wild question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and inexpensively. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start yet has encountered unrest from that point forward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies regularly put resources into it. The coin's cost has the run-of-the-mill market unpredictability. However, many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? Despite the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017. Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically inspired by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are regularly somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who developed Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized cash that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it workable for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mechanism for ordinary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to rival enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge excessive expenses to deal with worldwide exchange. Bitcoin money specialized investigation. Cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, confirming a downtrend. Close the $100 support, it is oversold, proposing a potential passage point for a swing exchange. There is a declining inclination on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Yet RSI is under 45, subsequently energy is blended. The MACD histogram bars are lessening, which could demonstrate a deficiency of force. Overall volume is level, implying that it changes similarly on out-of-control days. Subsequently, the harmony among purchaser and merchant interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and obstruction. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150 is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin money is at present worth $120.72 USD. BCH has moved 0.68% as of now with an exchanging volume of $196,071,599. Bitcoin money is at present position 26 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,396,466,367 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $181.08. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $169.01 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $144.87. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. In 2024, Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $301.81. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $241.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $265.59. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $422.53 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $386.31 and a low of $362.17 in 2025. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $543.25, with a base cost of $482.89 and a typical cost of $507.03. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $627.76 by 2027, with a base cost of $603.61 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $663.97. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $748.48. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $784.70. Neglecting to assemble the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $724.33. Bitcoin money value forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $845.06 and a yearly cost close above $905.42 in 2029. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin money will at last outperform